Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video that I have created. Today's video, as you saw, is all about BoxyCharm, something I look forward every month, and it's like Christmas every single month, a gift from you to yourself. I kinda know what I have in my box, that's why you see my face all clean and ready to start with the first product that I'm super excited for. So let's go ahead and start. So this is the box for this month. I got 5 pieces again. When you open the box, you see this little card. Every month has a different theme, a different card. This month it says totally BoxyCharm. It has all the products listed right here. So let's go ahead and start with the first product, and it's this one by Pure. Some people say Pure, some people say Pure. So I think it's a German company, so maybe it's Pure or Pure. I'll go with Pure, it's easier to say. So this was collab with Barbie, which I lived for. It was so beautiful. It's a glittery mask, so I hope it's not a messy mask. And this mask retails for $26. This box, the whole box, you get 5 pieces for $22 a month, which is insane. Like, I think the value for this month is $160. I already went and did the math, and I paid $21 for $160 value, which is crazy and amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this mask later on, and I'm gonna tell you guys about it on Instagram. So go ahead and check my Instagram in my description box, so you can see what I think about this mask. Next, another skincare product, and this one is by Wonder Beauty. I love Wonder Beauty, and it's called the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I'm not a huge fan of face oils because my skin is kind of like oily to combination, but mostly oily, especially now in the summer. So I'm kind of like, I want to love it because I love Wonder Beauty, but I'm scared that it's going to make me oily, so we're going to have to see. And this one retails for $42. Next up, I see another product that I've been looking forward to get and try on because it's crazy what I've heard about it, and I can't wait to try it on my face. It's the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and this is supposed to feel wet and cold on your face. So give me that in the summer anytime. But still, I think this is better for dry skin since it's wet, like cold feeling. So maybe it's more for dry skin. So we'll see if it's gonna be good for me. We're gonna have to try that too. The next thing, I've been wanting to try this so badly. This is the new mascara by Tarte. It's called Big Ego. And wait a second, let me show you the color of the mascara because I can't. I mean, come on. Isn't this the most gorgeous color ever? This hot pink that's screaming summer. I love it. This mascara, let's not forget, it retails for $23, and the Becca setting powder retails for $39. So it's insane. It's insane. Anyways, I can't wait to try this mascara on. I love this wand. I mean, every mascara that I love has the almost this shape of a wand, and I think I'm gonna love it for that. My Lash Paradise kind of looks like this, and Better Than Sex kind of looks like this too. So I'm already excited about this, and I think I'm gonna love it. Last but not least, this eyelashes. I think they are so pretty. They are not an eyelashes that I would buy myself. They're a little too, like, I would consider them a little too long for me, but I can't wait to try them. I'm not gonna try them in this video just because I'm not going anywhere, but you're gonna see them on my Instagram too. But these are by Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and these retails for $14.99, and they are called Instaglam False Lashes. So Instaglam, go check my Instagram to see them. So I'm gonna go ahead now and try the face oil because they said that you can also use it as a primer. Let's go ahead and try it. First, oh my god, it has shimmers in it. Ooh. Oh my god, it's pink. It's pink oil and it has shimmers in it. Oh, can you guys see? Wait, I'm gonna rub it against. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see the shimmers? So we're gonna glow today. Okay, it feels hydrating. It doesn't feel oily so far. I can already sense whenever I apply an oil, whatever kind of oil on my face, I can sense it from the first touch. If it's gonna make me greasy and oily or not. This one, I don't think so. I'm getting a little bit more. Oh my god, I love the color of it. I love that it's a pink oil. And it smells good. It smells like fruit and flower. Some kind of fruit and some type of flower. So there's shimmers in the oil itself. When you apply it on your fingers, you will see the shimmers. But once I put it on my skin, you can't, it's not shimmery. It's not like there's no glitter or shimmer on my skin. I mean, maybe just a little bit. First, let me tell you that this feels amazing. It feels hydrating and it doesn't feel oily. It actually feels mattifying. So we love that. I'm gonna go now, apply my foundation, and when I come back, we're gonna try this crazy Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm back. I have my foundation on, my concealer, and I threw in some eyeshadow, so we're ready to the step after that, Becca. Anyways, I'm gonna blend my concealer again just to make sure there's no creasing because we're about to lock this area. I'm gonna grab this brush by e.l.f. and let's see. This is the powder. This is the Becca powder. I love Becca just in general, but I have not used this powder in particular. I want to feel it first. Oh my god, it's wet. It definitely feels wet. Where is it? It's translucent, obviously, and it definitely feels cold and wet. And I don't get it. How does this work? Let's go ahead and see how it feels on the skin. So I packed up some of my brush. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like I'm putting water under my eyes. How? Oh my goodness. How? This is water. This is not powder. This is literally water. I don't get it. Let me put some on the rest of my face. I'm loving this. I think it would be great for touch-up too. Moving on. We love this. We really like it. It's crazy amazing. I'm ready for the mascara now. Wait, did I tell you how much the mascara retails for? It retails for $23, just in case I didn't mention that, because I do tend to forget. Let's see. Okay, mascara's on. I like it, but I feel like I wanted a little bit more product. Like I kept putting it back just to get more, but I don't know. I like it. I really like the result, but I feel like only if I got a little bit more product in it, like on the wand itself. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it again to decide, actually. It happened to me many times where I tried a mascara once and I'm like, eh. And then I love it. So maybe it's because I just opened it. Maybe this is the reason. I don't know. Maybe it's not our favorite. We're gonna have to try it again and see. Let me go ahead and finish my face so I can come back and tell you my final thoughts about this month's box and we can wrap up this video. I'm back. My face feels so hydrated, so hydrated. I just love how this powder feels. It feels so good. And this face oil didn't make me oily at all. And the mascara, as I said, I want to give it a second shot. I like it, but I don't love it. I want to try it again. So I'm going to try one more time and see. And you will see me using this on Instagram too, and the eyelashes. I always enjoy getting my BoxyCharms, and if you love makeup, I would consider you get one and subscribe to BoxyCharm and to me. Speaking of subscribing, so yeah, it's amazing. You pay $21 for 4 to 5 full-size products that are usually high-ends, and it's just like a gift from you to yourself every month, and you get kind of surprised. You kind of know what you're getting, but you don't know, so there's still a surprise. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and share it, and subscribe, because why not? If you subscribe, you will see my videos every time I upload one. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.